Welcome to Qualvision. In this video, we'll be guiding you on how to configure the auto-tracking function of PTZ cameras. Stay with us. What is auto-tracking? Auto-tracking is a unique technology of PTZ cameras that allows them to lock onto and continuously track moving targets by using their pan, tilt, and zoom capabilities. Equipped with AI algorithms, the camera can predict the direction and speed of the moving object, ensuring it stays centered on the screen. There are 3 steps to configure auto-tracking: set preset, set up smart events associated with action, and set auto-tracking. After logging in and accessing the device preview interface, the first step is to set the preset points to define the working scene for auto-tracking. Targeting people and vehicles to link auto-tracking. In this video, we'll take line crossing as an example. Go to Set, Event, Smart Event, Line Crossing. Select the preset. Enable the function by checking the checkbox. By default, the human and vehicle shape filter is enabled. The line crossing will be triggered only by humans or cars. Draw the line to define the crossing area. Set the auto-track and auto-track time. Then click Save. The PTZ camera will automatically return to the preset position when the predefined time elapses or the target disappears.